Okay, first one of the day on this rather damp Wednesday afternoon. This is a new client with his lovely Harley lowrider. He has been wanting to get to me for some time, but circumstances haven't allowed. So it's here now and in desperate need of a bit of trot TLC. This is going to get one of our legendary full works valets, which will include a whole dose of XCP corrosion protection on all the motor, all your bits and pieces that I think might corrode, and then we will get down to some proper detailing on this paint. Once it's all washed, I will get my light out and show you it is all scratched up. Good old black shows every single mark. So this is going to get a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork, and then we will prep it and seal it with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic. Give this some proper gloss, proper depth, and proper protection. She is pretty filthy, let me tell you. She's does get used in all weathers, so it is expected, but needs that bit of protection on it. Quite a few nuts and bolts are all starting to fur up. So enough of my jibber jabber. Let's get cracking. Work a little trot magic. Watch this space. Okay, back in the workshop with this lowrider. This is has been fully washed, decontaminated, and blow dried. I've got a few things to touch up with a bit of paint. We'll do the bottom of those forks, a couple of nuts and bolts which are quite rusty. We're going to put a bit of paint on, and then we will crack on with a bit of protection. This motor, as this has already been used quite a bit, we're going to put the XCP corrosion protection on all this motor rather than the ceramic. We will brush extra XCP on nuts and bolts and fixings that I think will need the extra protection. I will airbrush the ceramic on all the forks, the calipers, the wheels, and the frame. And then we're going to crack on with a bit of paint correcting. This paintwork is in a right bad way. It looks like it has been cleaned with sandpaper. Good old black shows every single mark. So we're going to do a two-stage. Some of it's going to get a three-stage polish. See if we can get rid of some of these holograms, spider webs, get a bit of depth back into this paint, get some gloss, and then we will seal it with the Ultimaxx ceramic. I mean, look, it is really bad. Unfortunately, I can't get the seat off. He's got some special little screw head there, which I don't have a tool for, and neither do the guys out back. So I'm going to have to work around the seat, which is a bit unfortunate, but we should be able to get as much as possible. I mean, even things like this chain guard, look how scratched up that is. So we got quite a bit of polishing to do. Let's get a few bits touched up first, and then we'll get some XCP on that motor, and then we'll crack on with the polishing. Just did my first little run with this, just to show you the difference. This is one run with the Cartec 3000. Before, look at that. I'll do a run with the 9000, and that will be sweet to get it all primed up, get some ceramic on it. Okay, there you go. 3 hours and 45 minutes. This Harley lowrider has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Oh my God, this thing is gleaming. This has had one of our full works packages, which includes a 2-stage machine polish. I actually did quite a few stages on this to get rid of those scratches, and includes the Ultimaxx ceramic. So we use the new Ultimaxx Lumex, which works great on the black paintwork. Look at that, absolutely gleaming. All the motors had XCP corrosion protection. We put the ceramic, I airbrushed the ceramic on all the wheels, forks, calipers. Some of the frame down the front there has all had ceramic airbrushed on. We polished up the chain guard, all your swing arm, that has all been airbrushed ceramic, as well as the back wheel. The rest of it, oh, look at the gloss on that. Absolutely gleaming. I bet it looks better than it did from new. Polished up the chrome bits, mirror polished up the levers. Look at that, they have come up like new, better than new. Anyways, just under 4 hours. This bike has been trotted. Get yours done now. All the levers have been mirror polished, better than they were new. Look at the gloss on those. Absolutely gleaming. All your chrome oil lines there have all been polished up, as well as your top of your rocker covers. Absolutely gleaming. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Get yours booked in now. Give us a buzz. 07966 249 963.